Hi campers, my name is Aspen Evans and I'm an Oklahoma 4-H STEMist. You're watching Camp COVID, day 1 of a 5-day series, Microscopic Topic. I have a question. What is smaller than a pinhead, comes in all shapes and sizes, and can make us really sick if we're not careful? That's right, germs. Did you know that right this minute there are currently more germs on you than there are people in this world? That sounds crazy, but right now there are 2 to 10 million bacteria on your fingertips alone. Some germs, like those that cause food poisoning, can make you sick and require a doctor's visit. But not all bacteria are bad. Today, we will cover both healthy germs as well as those germs that make us sick. We will also learn why washing our hands is still the best defense against these little guys and how the CDC advises we wash up. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that thrive in diverse environments. These organisms can live in soil, the ocean, or even inside the human gut. However, germs are those microorganisms capable of producing diseases. Human relationships with bacteria is very complex. Sometimes bacteria lends a helping hand, such as creating yogurt or helping with our digestion. In other cases, bacteria are destructive, causing diseases like pneumonia. It is important that we recognize some good bacteria versus some pretty nasty germs. One of the most well-known types of good bacteria are called probiotics. Probiotics are made of live bacteria and yeast. They help to regulate the gut and your respiratory system. Has your mom ever had you eat some yogurt when you have a stomach ache? That is because yogurt is packed full of probiotics that help rebalance our tummy's bacteria levels. Now, Lactobacillus is one of the most common probiotics. It is the one you'll find in yogurt and other fermented foods, such as cottage cheese. Different strains can help people who can't digest lactose, the sugar in milk. Most importantly, probiotics help send food through our gut by activating nerves that control your gut movement. Researchers are still trying to figure out which are best for certain health problems. Now, germs are the name we have given to bad bacteria. They come in many different forms and are responsible for multiple illnesses. Fortunately for us, some bacterial infections can be treated with antibiotics or specifically formulated medicines that affect bacterial growth. Streptococcus is a common bacteria that causes strep throat, an illness that is characterized by a sore throat and a fever. You should always contact your doctor or tell an adult if you develop symptoms of a bacterial infection. Some common symptoms may be a fever, muscle aches, being more tired than usual, coughing, sneezing, congestion. For more information on bad bacteria, you can visit cdc.gov. Now that we understand germs and bacteria a little better, how can we prevent the spread of these little critters? According to the CDC, 80% of all illness-causing germs are spread by your hands. Just one germ can multiply into more than 8 million in one day. How can one germ become 8 million so fast? To demonstrate germs and how they spread, all you will need is some glitter and a little bit of creativity. The glitter here will represent germs. If I dip my hand in the glitter, they will quickly attach. Now what happens if I go about my day like these germs or this glitter isn't even here? As we just demonstrated, bacteria are everywhere and we can spread them without even knowing it. The best way to slow the spread of these illness-causing germs is still to wash your hands with soap and water. So what's the best way to clean your hands? The CDC has it down to a science. Get your hands wet, turn off the water, and apply soap. Rub your hands together to lather up the soap. Clean every surface between your fingers and under your nails to the palms in the back of your hands. Scrub for at least 20 seconds. If you need a way to time it, sing it or hum Happy Birthday twice through. Turn the water back on and rinse well. Dry your hands with a clean towel and use the towel to turn off the water. Now that we understand the difference between healthy and illness-causing bacteria, we can take the right steps in helping to prevent the spread of these bacteria that make us sick. For more information on bacteria and how to prevent the spread, you can go to 4h.okstate.edu.